If you're in Nigeria and you're ready to grow your money in the year 2026, you are in the right place. Today, we are going to break down 8 top best investment apps that is changing the game, from beginners friendly platforms to seasoned investors. Whether you want to invest in stocks, crypto, mutual funds, or even government bonds, these apps are secured, fast, and reliable. Hi, if you're seeing my face for the very first time, my name is Betty, your financial friend, and welcome to Bet Money Tips. On this channel, we give tips on how to grow and manage your money so that you can do better. What if I told you that these apps can turn a 10,000 investment into wealth? Believe it? These are one of the things that these apps I'm going to mention are going to do for you. Stick around. Number 3 will interest you most because most Nigerians, they don't know about this. Let's dive in. Let me start with this app called Chaka. Chaka is an app that allows you to buy Nigerian shares and also US stocks. To buy stocks in Nigeria and also US stocks. These are beginner-friendly app that can use as the first-time investors. The next on my list is called PiggyVest. PiggyVest has come to stay. It has been around for a while. It is a saving app that allows you to save your money over time. PiggyVest has another aspect that you can also save for a particular goal over time, and you'll be paid interest on a daily basis. And it's what you can see. This app is good for beginners friendly or even for salary earners that want to save up before they start investing. The next on my list is Cowrywise. Cowrywise is majorly focused on mutual funds. Here you find prominent mutual fund managers such as IBTC fund managers, FBN Quest, and the likes of it. These apps majorly focus on mutual funds like money mutual funds. Cowrywise is similar to PiggyVest because you can also save for a period of time for a particular goal in mind. The sample of mutual funds you can find on Cowrywise is balance fund, fixed funds, and money mutual funds. And it's also good for beginners. If you're starting, you can use Cowrywise. The next on my list is AfriInvest. AfriInvest is majorly for mutual funds, stocks, treasury bills, and bonds. This allows you to invest in these securities, and they are safe, secured, and also regulated by SEC. The next on my list is iInvest. iInvest focus mainly on treasury bills, on bonds, on mutual funds. They're also good for beginners. The next on my list is Meristem. Meristem has a part that is called Meritrade. Meritrade focuses mainly on stock exchange. They focus mainly on stocks. They give stock news, they give you stock data, they give the updates on Nigerian stock markets. Next on my list is Bamboo. Bamboo is strictly for both local and international trading. This Bamboo app helps you to be able to invest in Nigerian stocks as well as US stocks. The next on my list is RiseVest. RiseVest is basically for dollar investments like REITs investment, ETFs, and so on. With all these 8 investment apps I have mentioned above, you will see that they are being categorized. Whether you want those have for savings, you have the savings app. If you want for investment, you have the investment aspect, and you want to have for dollar, you have the ones for dollar. So choose the one that fits what you want to use it for, and it can easily be used on your smartphone or your Android phone. From all the 8 investment apps that we have discussed, choose the one that best fits what you want to use it for. Be it savings, be it a dollar fund investment, be it stock, both locally and internationally. Use the one that is right for you. And if you want me to do video on any of these apps, let me know in the comment section and I'll take it up. Thank you for joining me today. See you in my next video.